everybody, welcome back to Heart Breathings. I am so excited to show you guys my August setup in this brand new fake patent leather Webster's Pages A5 binder. So if you're interested to see what the inside looks like, stay tuned. So I'm using a little bit of a different setup right now, and you can see the reflection of the ring light here. I apologize for that. Hopefully it's not going to be too distracting, but I can no longer stand up and record videos because my ability to stand up for 20-30 minutes at a time talking is just not gonna happen at 37 weeks pregnant. So I am just gonna sit down at this table, and this is kind of the best setup I can do. So I apologize in advance if the lighting becomes an issue with this patent. So what I use every month, if you haven't seen my videos before, is I've been using the Planner Press digital dash box, and I will link down below. I'm not an affiliate or anything of hers. I just truly love how easy it makes it. A little over a year ago, I decided that instead of constantly feeling like I want change and then switching out of one $50 planner to another $50 planner, that the best thing for me was to adopt a system that allowed me to change up my decoration and the way that I'm doing things and the way things look every single month while keeping my system the same. So staying consistent about the system. So I designed my own planner. It's called the HB90 method that goes along with my own personal philosophy of goal setting. So that is the innards of this, but every month I use the Planner Press digital dash box, or some months I use like scrapbooking kits and stuff from Michael's to set up a new binder. So I get the advantage of something brand new to look at and decorate and use my creativity on without spending a lot of money and without changing my actual system and having to like relearn and rethink how I'm going to use the system. So that's kind of my personal philosophy right now. So I've been using 6-ring binders. I just got this new amazing stash of binders from Webster's Pages during one of their recent summer sales. And so when I saw this gorgeous like washi and bows theme for the Planner Press August kit, I was like, okay, I'm going to use this pretty pink faux patent leather, and I'm so excited about it. So let me show you what it looks like. So first, starting off in this front part, she had these bookmarks. So there's 2 that came in the kit. One just a stack of pink washies, and this one like a colorful stack. So I laminated those, and instead of as bookmarks, I'm just using them as decoration. Then I took the insert that says Hello August, that's for like traveler's notebook insert, and I cut it, like printed it at smaller size, like 35%, and put it in this little window here. Then all year I've been putting this New Year, New Me in here. This is an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I might switch that out now that we're getting close to another new year. But then I also have this other die cut, and I have just some random little bits and goodies, some Hello Kitty stuff. My little Hermione kind of tends to go with me everywhere I go. The other set of washi stacks, some pretty little just ribbon paper clips that I made myself, another little Hello Kitty paper clip, and a paper clip from Simply Gilded washi subscription. And then hiding behind that, I do actually have a set of Simply Gilded washi tape that I pull out and use from time to time. It's just like one of her washi cards that came with the subscription, so I keep that back here as well. Then in the front, she always includes in the Planner Press kit these little pouches, and basically you just print the front, you print the back, and then you can laminate them together for like this, and then you cut the top open so that it becomes an actual little like zippered pouch. I mean, how cute is that? And I love using it for my stickers because it's about the perfect size. So mostly in here I have, the majority of these are Coffee Monsters Co. stickers, and I love them. I also just recently got a huge order from Echo Hui Craft Co., which I am loving these stickers. I'm a huge fan of like kawaii design, like anything that you can put a cute little face on, I'm there. So tons of her stickers. Laven Forest also has a lot of cute kawaii stuff, so I just made another order with her. Though some of these you can tell I've been using for a while. Then I also just ordered a bunch of stickers from Mochi Kichi, and all of hers are really cute as well. So lots of cute little things, but I think those are the 4 main shops. Lulu's Daisies & Co. If you watched my recent notebook challenge video, you'll know that I ordered a lot of stuff from her that is baby related stuff, but I also saw this one that says wake up and makeup, and that's perfect for when I've got a recording day coming up and I need to actually look nice on camera. So I've got that in here as well. But film, edit, upload type stickers, more stuff from Echo Hwy Craft Co. Like, how cute are those little packages? A little kitten in a teacup, but you get the idea. Lots of cute little stickers there. And I keep them just kind of tucked inside. Then I have a couple of stickers sheets here from Nicole's Plans that just say meeting and appointment, just some little hand lettered stickers, and a bigger sticker sheet from Laven Forest that don't fit inside there. So those just go in the back, and I love that this has these pockets that I can use in that way, and so that just stays in the front, and I use that in my weekly planning. Then my first dashboard is, of course, you can choose how you want to rearrange them. You can put them in any order. You can put whatever ones you want on the front and back, but I love the washi stack, and I'm a big fan of Simply Gilded, so this was perfect. So that goes right front and center, and then I put this, you'll see this better at a later dashboard because some of them I reuse, but this is like a girl with shoes with a bow on the back. And I always try to put a few little sticky notes here and there because I use them in my planning. And then this is my little ass kicker sweetie, which my husband drew for me over, I think, 10 years ago, and it just kind of travels with me everywhere I go. And then I have my HB90 method planner section here, and you can see that I have not actually filled this out completely for this quarter. And part of that is because I knew that the course, my Publish and Thrive publishing course, was basically going to take precedence this quarter, and that the baby would take precedence. So there was no way for me to really estimate how much time I was going to have because I don't know when she's coming. So it's just one of those things where I was like, okay, I'm not going to take all that time to necessarily go through and plan every little thing. So that is not filled out, and it usually is completely filled out. So a little bit of a strange month or strange quarter this time. So a little quote card that came from the box. Then these things that I absolutely love. So she does sometimes, every digital dash box is a little bit different in what it includes. It always has the dashboards, but the accessories are usually a little, hit or miss what she's going to put in there. But these are basically side tabs that have bows on them. I just print them on one side, and then I print them again on the other side, like mirror reverse, so that they end up double-sided. And then I run them through the laminator, and then the rest of the laminated sheet just comes out clear. And I love it because you can mark kind of your places in the planner, but it makes it so pretty. Like when it's all closed, look how pretty that looks. Just really comes out nice. And I actually have one that's missing, because I was like, where is that blue one? Because I was taking some sheets out. So the next dashboard is this pretty girl with holding like a Starbucks Frappuccino, but she has a bow in her hair. And the digital dash box always comes with like 4 different skin colors and hair colors, or maybe even more than that. So you can kind of choose what you think is best and matches your aesthetic better. Then on the back of this, she also includes Post-it notes that you can print yourself. So these are just white Post-it notes that I was able to print, and then a bow stack over here. Hopefully you can see that despite the lighting. I always keep these little Webster's pages, pictures and photos in here. So those are nothing new if you've seen my setups before. Then I have my monthly planning, which I did great for the month of June. Did not plan for July because we had moved and everything's been crazy in July, but I am still going to set up August. I'm just a little bit late getting started. Then there's another one of these dividers with the side tabs. My next section is my daily spread section, my weekly and daily spread section, and I love this one with the girl's hair with the bow, so pretty. Then on the back, it's just bows, and this is a sheet that could be foiled if you had the ability to foil, but I don't have the right kind of printer to foil my stuff, so I just don't worry about it. Then I move into my weekly spreads. So I'm currently recording this on August 4th, so I haven't set up for next week yet, but I'm going to do that. Then I like to keep one of these in here to mark my place, but actually it's the blue one that should really go on the weekly spread. And then what I'll do is I'll put this purple one to mark whatever day I'm in. And then that'll give you an idea of how they all look like when they're lined up. So pretty. So this is basically the inside of my planner. I did just print out, I only print out the weekly and monthly page, or weekly and daily pages for the current month that I'm in, and then I store the others, like the old ones. But you can kind of see an idea of how I decorate these pages. Oh, that's backwards. Of how I decorate these pages when I'm using them. So I tend to want to use these bottom boxes as social media planning, but that hasn't really been working out for me. So I need to come up with a new way to use that. And I've been working on a social media planner, so that'll be maybe a separate section in my planner. But you can kind of see how I set up my weeks. The daily pages, I don't stress if I don't use them every day, but I use those stickers and kind of use it more just as a checklist style, and then I keep my actual schedule over here. But I really don't stress out if I don't use every single day on the daily pages, but then there are some days that I really use it really well. So those are some examples of, like, this is today's daily page, which is a pretty busy day for a Sunday. Give you an idea of how I use the stickers and the check boxes. This is all dot grid, even though you might not be able to see it. It's pretty late. So that's all the way now printed out through September 1st. More pictures of my family. The next dashboard is this cute little one with this giant bow in front of her face, which I just think is kind of ridiculously cute. Then I have the washi stack printed again, but you can't really see it. And I have more stickers because I started to get so many stickers that they wouldn't fit in that front pouch. So again, more Coffee Monsters Co., but this one also has some Fox and Pip stickers that I got as a gift from an exchange in my planner group from an author that's a good friend of mine. So lots of other little stickers here that I'll keep in this little Happy Planner pouch. Then another quote card, more of my pictures, but this time includes my book covers. I got this, you guys have seen this before. I haven't really changed that much stuff out, but this is just a postcard. This is Love What You Do that I got from Pipsticks, and I love putting that in there because I do love what I do and I'm pretty passionate about it. So this section is my writing section, and I usually am keeping up with my writing plan and my word count tracker, but writing has not been going so well during this pregnancy, so I've kind of just fallen off the wagon. Then I have these Hogwarts library cards that I printed out from Etsy Copper Boom Studios so that I can keep track of what books I'm reading throughout the year. Then I have just some different content notes about my writing, social media stats for the whole year, which I realize now I forgot to keep up with like I should have. July and August have just been tough with the move and the pregnancy and the course, so giving myself a little bit of leeway on that. This one that says Bows and Washi are a girl's best friend with the washi stacks, this is actually a folder, which is another thing she sometimes includes in the digital dash box. So what you do is you print the front, then you double side print the back. Then she gives you a folder that you can put either on this side or on this side. So if I wanted, I could print it twice and have two folders here. And then I just have some extra little stickers there. Super cute. The next dashboard is this girl, which to me, this is so cute, but it doesn't totally fit with the theme because there's no like big bow, there's no pastel pink, so, and she's wearing a sweater, which seems more fall. I don't know, this one's kind of confuses me, but it's still cute. Then I have this little, I don't know, little envelope that I created a while back out of some scrapbooking paper, and I keep these little Hello Kitty notes in here, and I slowly go through those. More social media stats, and this is my like Heart Breathing's editorial calendar section, so another one of those dividers. And then I've got all my videos planned out here. Then more book covers. The next one is a little girl, well, not a little girl, but a woman with a Gucci bag, or a woman with a Louis Vuitton bag and a little bow tattoo, which I love. I actually want to I have several tattoos, but I really want to get a tattoo here or here that has a little dragonfly on it, but a bow would be cute too. And then I used that same bow girl back here. This last section is more my like ideal life vision board section, so I don't usually go through that because it's very personal stuff. And then the very last page, I just printed out that girl with the bow shoes, and I keep this in the back so that you know, the rings don't mess up the very back part of this. Then in the very back pocket, I also have more stickers, and this is just from a Michael sticker kit, but all of the rest of these stickers are more functional type icon stickers that I tend to use. And I got a lot of these from like Design Lovely Studios and a few other printable places on Etsy. So these I printed and cut myself with my Cricut, and they're mostly things like houses, coffee cups, planners, meeting stickers, doctor's appointments, and just kind of typical icons you would see used. Now this Webster's Pages one doesn't really give me a ton of extra like space to put those in and out, so we'll see how that goes throughout the month. Then there is another little pocket here, and I've just been keeping some washi strips in there. Another thing that I just got was this super, super cute pin from Villa Beautiful. I got two of them actually. So one is this like watermelon kind, and one I think was called cherry. And I'm loving them. The only problem is that they don't post well. So you put them on the end, but they're kind of wobbly. So as you're writing, the top just kind of flies off. So you can't really put the top on the back, which I hate that because then I tend to lose the top or drop it on the floor. So that's my only complaint about these pens. Other than that, I really, really am loving it. So this is kind of my main pen for my planner this month. And that is my August planner setup. And I am just loving the way, I'm not sure if that's coming through really in the video, but I'm just loving the way that these side tabs really stack up there. It's just so pretty, and the way the colors and the bows go with the rest of the planner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am really loving this setup. I think it's one of my favorites, and it might be one that I end up just printing Hello September, because I don't know if the baby comes like the last week of August. I don't know that I'll really have time to be setting up a brand new planner for September. If she's late, then I can kind of occupy myself by going ahead and getting everything ready and made for my September planner. But the digital dash box doesn't actually come out. The downloads don't come out until the 1st. I really wish she would release them like a week early so that we'd have a week to get our planners ready, but she doesn't. So if I do that, I'd have to use either an old kit or I'd have to just use scrapbooking paper. So we'll see. She'll probably start soon on her Instagram to do some like preview stuff of what the September digital dash box is going to look like. So we'll see if I really want to use it or if I want to keep using this. I don't know. We'll see. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this A5 planner setup. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit like on this video if you enjoyed it, if you made it this far, and comment down below and let me know what kind of planner you use, if you've ever used ring binders, or if you feel inspired to try ring binders for the first time, or what kind of planner you actually use. And I would love to hear from you. All right, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever new videos come up from me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.